Hi, in this how-to video, we are going to look at how to convert a standalone installation of EventLog Analyzer into the distributed version's admin server setup in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Shut down the running EventLog Analyzer service. To do this, navigate to the EventLog Analyzer directory and click on bin. Now, locate and execute the shutdown batch file. You can now check the status of the service in the Task Manager to confirm if the service has stopped running. Once the service has stopped running, navigate to EventLog Analyzer Home, open Troubleshooting, and execute the Convert to Admin Server batch file. When you execute the Convert to Admin Server batch file, you will see a warning in the command prompt. We recommend that you backup your database first to prevent any data loss during conversion. To learn how to do this, please watch our video on how to backup the EventLog Analyzer database. You can find this and other informative videos in the videos section of the Log360 website. Enter Y to confirm. You will be asked if you want to use a proxy server. Click Y and press Enter if you want to configure a proxy server. Otherwise, you can press N to continue. If you choose to configure the proxy server, you will be prompted to enter the name of the proxy server, the port number, the proxy username, and the password. Once you've entered all these details, we'll have to wait for the process to complete. Now, go ahead and restart the EventLog Analyzer service by navigating to EventLog Analyzer Home, clicking on bin, and running the wrapper executable file. Now your standalone installation of EventLog Analyzer is converted into the Distributed Edition's admin server setup. For further details and help, don't hesitate to contact our technical support team.